What's up, you guys? We are back in St. Augustine. It's about almost 8:15. Had a late start on the day because I was up until 5 something in the morning last night because I worked till 3 a.m. and I had a couple things to do when I got off. I'm eating my jetpack meal, as you can see. Get a good look at that. 6 ounces of chicken with some beautiful asparagus and 2 cups of rice. And after I finish eating this, gonna head to the gym, hit some shoulders, and then maybe afterward might do some posing. This isn't the song I wanted. Oh, motherfucker. No.
Okay.
Ghoulish. Am I going slow or something? Yeah. That guy trying to race me? Un poquito. Give you some light behind me. See this? Fuck! Do you see that shit? Of course not. Workout's kicking in! Uh-oh, I think I made a mess. I think it's my pre-workout. I spilled my pre-workout in my lap. Sticky now. Pulling up to the gym, absolutely cracked on pre right now. Friday night, 9 o'clock. I'm about to get lit like a fucking candle, bruh. How the fuck is there so many fucking damn people here? What the fuck? These people are probably fucking jerking each other off in the front seat. All right, let's go lift. That's a new vein right there. Nice. Let's fucking go. Oh, that was a little bit of rear delts. It's kind of like a side lateral, but I'm slightly leaning back and keeping my shoulders low. So when I come out, I'm forcing my hands up away from each other. Instead of pulling, I'm separating my hands like this to get upper back, rear delt contraction. Almost fell off. So that was rear delts. Same concept as with the sort of side laterals. When I do those, I keep my arms fully extended and I try to separate my hands, not pull with my elbows, but separate my hands away from each other while simultaneously squeezing my upper back. Oh, son of a bitch. Hey Siri, play What's Love by Ashanti. Hey Siri, play What's Love by Ashanti. I'm talking into the mic like it's my Siri. Go ahead, bitch. Stop asking so many questions. Just play it. Just kidding. This one's like broken on the left. If you don't know how to do this, read a freaking book. So I just go till I get a good pump, and then I go into another warm up, and then 2 heavy working sets. Doing some front raises because I feel like hitting my upper chest a little bit as well. Oh my God. Just going to pump up right quick, mate. Where's some fucking big ass 5s? That's it. I need a fucking hernia or something. Sheesh. Alright, that's enough. Alright, let's get serious. My legs look like fucking Walmart hot dogs. Look at that ham hock right there. Oh, my elbow's gonna pop. Ow. I know the lighting sucks. All right, gotta be. Oh, damn shoes untied. Oh man.